Hi children, welcome to Gita School Tupran online classes. Previous class, we learned about the preparation of map. Now we have to continue same topic. Do you know that Ptolemy? Ptolemy was the most famous geographers of the ancient world. He prepared the detailed map of the world using the longitudes and latitudes. But these maps are not accurate. You may notice that all the ancient map given the correct information about Europe or nearby countries, especially Greece or Rome, become the middle of all these ancient map. But all these maps given the accurate information regarding the sailors and traders or the coastal areas of various countries, but they did not know about the Indian places. So that they considered that India, one of the country of Asia, was smaller than Sri Lanka. Later, the Arabic scholars and sailors began to prepare the map with the help of Ptolemy's book. You know that Al-Idrisi, a famous Arab map maker, prepared a world map for his king in 1154 Common Era. This map was made with the help of the legends written in Arabic language. While showing this map, Eurasia we can see continuously as the part of northern part of Africa. They given the details of southern Africa and Southeast Asia. And there was an interesting thing that this map shows that north is the bottom and south is the top. And also Arabia prominently become the center of the map. The Europeans mapmakers were greatly influenced by the religious ideas of the Bible. You know, Bible is the holy book of the Christians. So they began to prepare the map according to the ideas of the Bible. According to this map, the world is surrounded by ocean and is divided into three continents: Asia, Europe, and Africa. Among all these continents, Asia was considered as the largest and most important continent because Jerusalem, Jerusalem, it was the birthplace of Jesus Christ, was the part of Asia. That's what in this map, top they shown the birthplace of Jesus Christ, that was Jerusalem. Later, in 1480 Common Era, Europeans tried to make another map with the help of Ptolemy's books. Now really they shocked that Ptolemy had given the accurate descriptions of the location of the places. But later we can see that the map makers began to make the map with the help of mathematical calculations. During the 15th century, Ptolemy inspired a new enthusiasm in non-Arabic words and some important schools arose. Italian school, the French school, the English school, the German school came up. Because of these, and also you know that 15th century was the period of discovery and explorations, because you may learn that the Arabic people blocked the sea route to India. Actually, the western countries came to India for trade by Mediterranean Sea. The Arab people blocked this route. So they have to find out another route to India. So especially Spain, Portugal, Holland, England, these countries had their trade with India. So Columbus went to western side and discovered America. Meanwhile, Vasco da Gama went to Africa and reached India. So Vasco da Gama was the first European person came to India through by sea route. These explorations were helped to prove that Earth was not a flat disk, but it is a sphere like a ball. In 16th century, Holland emerged as a trading power. They want to make maritime supremacy and trade all over the world. So, the father of Dutch cartography. Cartography means the person who is preparing map. Gerardus Mercator. Gerardus Mercator was a cartographic man from Dutch. Made some maps. According to his map, it was known as Mercator projection. Do you understand? The cartographer Gerardus Mercator made maps. His maps were known as Mercator map projection. Next concept we will learn coming videos. Thank you.